It's the holidays, everybody, and it is ornament making time. And today on Make Your Mark, I am going to show you how to make Loteria ornaments using tiny dollar store frames. We're painting them with DecoArt's Galaxy glitter, and we're putting everything together with E6000 Plus, my favorite industrial glue. Now, before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello. And you know how much I love it when you stop by and say hello. Are you ready? Let's make some ornaments. I love using this glitter base coat. It creates a gritty surface that catches the glitter as you swipe the brush across it, so it's much easier to get lots of Galaxy glitter on your project when you use this stuff first. The reason I'm using E6000 Plus is because I want these ornaments to last for many holiday seasons, and this particular glue won't curdle the backs of the acrylic gems. Loteria is very similar to American Bingo. In Bingo, a number and letter are randomly chosen from a rotating drum, while in Loteria, a colorfully illustrated image is drawn from a special deck of 54 cards. I would love it if you would take a second to thumbs up this video and leave me a comment telling me about your favorite holiday traditions or what kind of Christmas ornaments you like to make. You know I love hearing from you. I'm going to leave a link to DecoArt and E6000 in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I will see you next week. Bye.